finally get a pet. They're all so pretty. But I want something special, something nobody else has. You found my special starfish.
Normally $1,000, but for such a cute kitten, $50.
Please, Daddy.
Feed only 1 pellet per day, never more.
Meow. Meow.
Meow. I'll name you Shimmer.
You're my best friend now, Shimmer. I'll take the best care of you.
Meow. One pellet? That's not enough. You must be hungry, Shimmer. Now you won't be hungry. Meow.
Rosie, get back!
Rosie, keep going.
Meow. Dad, it's gaining on us! Dad, it's gaining on us!
Hold tight, Rosie.
I'm pushing the pedal down!
Breaking news! A giant starfish monster is attacking downtown. Residents are advised to evacuate immediately.
Everyone, listen up. We need to stop that monster at all costs. Move into position.
Unit 1 in position.
Unit 2, close behind. Keep formation. Move, 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 move! Let's go! Take it down! Meow! We did it! The monster is gone! Yeah! We finally beat it! Let's go! I'm never going back to that city again!
Meow. Meow. Alex, where are you? Alex, the food is ready. Where did he go? Meow.
Enough playing. Let's go.
Meow. Meow.
Honey, I'm home.
Papa.
Welcome home, honey. How was work today?
Oh, it's fine. Thanks for asking.
Meow.
Good morning, kids. Hop right on in.
Morning, officer. Thanks.
Meow.
We need backup now, immediately. The situation is out of control.
Yellow.
kids, put on your seatbelts. Something is about to happen.
Take this. This will help.